Hello children, hope you are all doing good. So in the previous class we had learnt about the properties of subtraction. Is it children? So what are the properties of subtraction? So subtraction of integers is closed, right? We can say the subtraction of integers is closed, and the commutative property does not hold in subtraction of integers, okay, and also associativity does not hold, okay. That is the thing we had learned in the previous class, right? And also had given exercise first one as the homework, right? In exercise 1.2 I had given the first fill in the blanks as your yesterday's homework, okay. So have you all did your homeworks, children? Okay, very good. So do your homeworks properly, okay. So let us see the next one, second one. Say true or false, okay. Children, you should copy all the examples as well as exercises in your classwork notebook, okay. Whatever I am writing on the board, exercise as well as the example, okay children. You should copy all those things in your classwork notebook, okay. Can you all understood? Exercise, example ரெண்டுமே நான் போர்டில் எழுதுகிற எல்லாத்தையும் you should copy it in your notebook, okay. So சும்மா மாடலுக்கு எழுதுகிற சம்மெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். You should copy the exercise and the examples in your book, okay. You should copy all the exercises and examples which I am writing on the board in your classwork notebook, okay children. Don't forget. So let us see the next one, okay. Second one, say true or false, okay. True or false also, just write the question and write the explanation in your notebook, and after that write the answer true or false, okay. So the first question, minus 675 minus 400 equal to this one, okay. So minus 1075, okay. So let us find it is correct or not, okay. So let us check the first question, minus 675 minus 400. So we are having two signs here, right? So that we can multiply, okay. Minus into minus plus, okay. So minus 675 plus 400, okay. Now we got different signs, right? Minus and plus, so that we need to subtract, okay. Subtract it, 675 minus 400. So what is the answer? 5 minus 0, 5, okay. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 4, 2, okay. So minus, so what is the answer? Minus 275, okay. You will get minus 275. So that the question, so it is wrong, okay. So it is false, okay. Write the answer as false, okay children. So children, copy it in your notebook, okay. Write the first question, okay. First question of say true or false, and write this explanation, okay. So what we got, the answer we are getting is minus 275, okay. So that the answer, so this one is false, okay. So write the answer as false, okay children. And then second one, let us see the second one. So 15, so let me rub and write, okay. See second one, 15 minus 15, okay. 15 minus 18, okay. Minus 18 is same as this one, okay, is equal to 15 plus 18, okay. Let us check, okay. See, we are having two signs, so that what we need to do, minus into minus plus, okay. So 15 plus 18, here also we are having 15 plus 18, so these two are equal. So the answer is true, okay. Second one is true, okay children. So copy it in your notebook. So very easy, right? So we are having the question as 15 minus 18 is same as 15 plus 18. Now we have proved that these two are equal, so that it is true, okay. And then let us see the third one. See, minus 45 minus 8 equal to minus 8 minus 45, okay. Let us check, okay. So minus 45, already we know commutativity does not hold in subtraction of integers, right? if we change the order while subtracting means the answer will also change, right? In the previous class, in the properties of subtraction itself, we have learned, right? So let us check, okay? So minus 45 minus 8, okay? So I had just taken the left hand side, that is LHS, okay? So see, we are having two signs. So what we can do? Simply minus into minus plus, okay? So minus 45 plus 8, okay? So we are having different signs, so that we can subtract and put the greater number sign, okay? So 45 minus 8, so subtract it, here 15 and here 3, so 8, 7, okay? 15 minus 8, 7, okay? And 3 minus 0, so 3. So what is the answer we are getting? 37, okay? So greater number sign is minus, so minus 37. So LHS, we got the answer as 37. Now do this right hand side, okay? Right hand side. So minus 8. So RHS, let me write RHS, and this one is LHS, okay? So minus 8 minus of minus 45. See, we are having two signs, so that we can minus into minus plus, right? So minus 8 plus 45. Now we are having two different signs, so that what we can do? We can subtract it, okay? We can subtract it and put the greater number sign. So 45 minus 8. So what we will get? 7, so 15 and here 3, okay? So 15 minus 8, 7, okay? And 3 minus 0, 3. So we'll get 37, which is the greater number sign. Plus is the greater number sign, right? So that here we will get plus 37, and for the left hand side we are getting minus 37. So that, is it same? No, right? So these two are not equal, okay? So minus 37 not equal to plus 37. So that this one is false, okay? The last one is false. So you can copy it in your notebook, okay children? So copy it in your notebook. And also we are having objective type questions 9 and 10. Okay, let us do that. So objective type question, which is in page number 15. Okay. So what is the first question? Minus 5 minus of minus 18 equal to dash. Okay, we need to find. And also in the book they had given the options. Okay, let us do it. So minus 5 minus of minus 18. Okay, so see, we are having two signs, right? So that we need to do, what we need to do? Minus into minus plus, right? So minus 5 plus 18. Okay, so now see, we are having different signs, right? So that's what we need to do. We need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay, so 18 minus 5. So 18 minus 5, okay. So 3, so 13, okay. So the answer we are getting is 13. So which is the greater number sign? Plus is the greater number sign. So plus 13, okay. So the answer is plus 13, okay. So plus means we no need to put the sign. So 13 is the answer, okay children. And the next one, so the next one, minus 100 minus 0 plus 100, okay. So let us do. So minus 100 minus 0 plus 100, okay. So minus 100 and minus 0. So minus 100 minus 0, same, minus 100, right? So we will have minus 100 plus 100. So what is the answer? Minus 100 plus 100, we will get 0. Okay, so the answer is 0. Okay, you can copy it in your notebook. So the next topic we are going to learn is about multiplication of integers. Okay, So we have learnt about addition of integers, subtraction of integers, and the next is about multiplication of integers. Okay, so let us do. Children, see, for you I had taken some rosary pia seeds. Okay, so you will call it as kunnimuttu. Okay, so let us learn multiplication by using this. Okay, so I am having a bowl full of this. Okay, from this I am taking 3 for me. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I had taken 3, so that I just mentioned that 3 here. Okay, so I had taken 3. Okay, and again I need 3, so that I had taken 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I just mentioned that 3 here. Okay, so and again I need 3, so that I had taken 3 from here. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let me mention it there. Okay, and again I need 3, so that I am taking 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So how many 3s I am having? Now how many I am having? So let me count. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 numbers we are having. So that if we are adding this means also we will get 12. So for finding this, I am having another way. So how will you find? The another way is I had taken 4 times 3. Is it 4 times 3? So 4 into 3 equal to, so 4 3s are 12. So we got in another way, right? நான் என்ன பண்ணேன் 4 times 4 வாட்டி 3 எடுத்தேன் அப்படிதானே அதேதான். So that I had returned 4 into 3, so that how much I am having now? 12. Okay children, is it clear? And again at the first I had taken the rosary pea seeds for me, right? Now I am taking the rosary pea seeds for another person. Okay children, so from this I am taking 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so I had taken 5, so that I am mentioning 5. Okay, I am just going to give this to another person. Okay, so that I am mentioning minus 5. Okay, minus 5, and again that person is asking, so that I am taking 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay children, so that again I am mentioning that minus 5. Okay children, and again he is asking, so that I am taking another 5 from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so that I am mentioning here, that is minus 5. So what is the answer? How much I am giving, how many numbers I am giving to him? So can we count? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So I am giving 15 numbers to that person. Okay, so that now adding this also we will get minus 15. Okay, so I am giving to another person, right? So that it is minus. Okay, so minus 15. So we can do this in another way. So how will you find? How will you find this in another way? So I had given 5 numbers 3 times, right? So 3 times I had given 5. Okay, so we can find very easily, right? So 3 5s are 15. So minus 15. Okay children, very easy, right? So we had learnt multiplication of integers by using this rosary pea, right? So let us learn it properly by using number line. So I had explained this by using that kunnimuttu, right? So let us learn the multiplication of integers by using the number line. Okay children, so let me show you this by using a number line. Okay children, so let me draw a number line. See here, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, that's enough. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I just drawn a number line. Okay. So how will you learn this multiplication of integers by using the number line? Do you have any idea? So let us see. Okay. So what I said. So for the first time I had taken 3. Okay. 3 for me, right? So I'm just going to move to 3. Okay. So I'm just going to move to 3. This is the first time. Okay. This is the first time I had taken. And again the another time I had taken, right? So I had taken. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So now. So again I had taken 3 for the another time. And again I had taken 3 for the another time. Okay. So this is the third time. And I had taken 4 times, right? So that. And again I had taken 3. So that this is the fourth time. So how much I had taken? How many numbers I had taken? 12. Okay, children. So very easily we have learned the multiplication of integers by using number line, right? So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Simply I had drawn a number line and I just mentioned I had taken three seats from that box, right? So for the first time I had taken. Okay, so this one I am having 3 numbers with me. So this is the first time. And again I had taken 3. So that I got 6. And again I got 9. And again the fourth time I had taken, that is 12. So that 4 3s are 12. Okay. So this is the thing we did. Okay. So and for the second time what I did, I just had given 5 numbers to somebody, right? So first of all I am just moving. It's minus 5, is it, children? So it is minus 5. So let me draw another number line. So I had drawn another number line. Okay. So I am doing for this. Okay. So first of all I had taken 5 numbers. Okay, for one person. I had given that for one person. So that I just moved to minus 5. Okay. And again I had taken 5, right? Again I had taken another 5 for another person. So that it is now I had given 10 numbers to another person, and again I had given 5 numbers. Okay, 5 numbers to another person. So that now I had given minus 15. Okay, children, can you all understand? That is 5. Okay, 5 into 3. Okay, 3 times I had given 5. So that I just moved minus 5 and again minus 5. So that 5 3s are 15. That is minus 15. Okay, children, can you all understood? So very easy, right? So likewise we can do multiplication of integers by using the number line also. Okay, children. So let us do the try these sum, which is in page number 16. So children, take your book, page number 16. So we are having try these, right? So find the product of the following. Okay, so the first question, let us do the first one and third one. Okay, and second and fourth is your homework. Okay, so minus 20 into minus 45. Okay, children, so let us do. So what is the answer? How will you find? So we are having minus 20 and minus 45. Okay, so we can multiply very easily as by normal multiplication method. So 45 into 20. Okay, so you can arrange 20 in the top and 45 in the bottom. So multiplication la order mathradhu the problem kadayadu. Okay, yeah, so that we can write the bigger number in the top and smaller number in the bottom. Okay, then we can multiply very easily, right? So that now multiply. So 5 into 0, 0, and then 4 into 0, 0. Okay, just put plus here, and then so 2 5s are 10, right? So 10, just put the 0 here and 1 here. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 and plus 1, so 9. Okay, so what we will get? 0, 0 and 9. So the answer is 900. Okay, So 900. So in multiplication we know minus into minus plus, right? So the answer is plus 900. Okay children. So copy it in your notebook. So take your classwork notebook. Okay, marks classwork notebook. And write the heading as try these. Mention the page number, okay, page number 16, and then write the first question. Okay, this is the first question, and also do the multiplication nearby that. Okay children, so let us do the next one. So third one, so minus 30 into 40 into minus 1. Okay, so this is the question. So that can we multiply the same signs? Okay, so here we are having minus 30 and here we are having minus 1, right? So that what we can do? So minus 30 into minus 1 and then minus 4 into 40. Okay, so minus into minus means we know it is plus, right? So that 30 into 1 means 1 into 30, 30, right? So that 30 into 40. So now we can multiply very easily, right? So that multiply, so 30 and 40. So 0 into 0, 0, and 0 into 3, 0. Okay, and then 4 into 0, 0, and 3 fours are 12. Okay, so what is the answer? 0, 0, 2, and 1. Okay, so 1200 is the answer. Okay children, so the answer is 1200. Okay, so write the answer 1200. Okay, and then in this second and fourth is your homework. So let me give you homework. Okay, that's all about this class. Just note down the homework. So homework, page number 16. Try these. Okay, and try these first one, second comma fourth is your homework, and then in exercise 1.3, okay, it is in page number 21. Okay, in page number 21, in sum number 4, first one is your homework. Okay children, so do your homework properly. Okay, so after completing each sum, should draw lines. Okay children, so thank you.